Hello. The lock I have for you today is an American lock, Series 1205. It's a pretty common American lock. It's an 8mm shackle with an aluminum body. It has 5 pins, and usually most of them are serrated pins. This is the bitting on it. Not too bad, a couple high and lows. The lock does work perfectly. Let's see if we can't get into this. The key to picking American locks, and pretty much any lock with serrated pins in it, is using very light tension. And when you go through, you'll get a click as you go through the pins. Don't try to do multiple clicks on a single pin. Once you get one click on one pin, move to the next one. I'll be using a Peterson pry bar in 50 thousandths and a Peterson hook in 15 thousandths. Let's see if we can get into this. Okay. Click out of 5. Click out of 3. Actually, let me recock this real quick. Click out of 4. Click out of 5. Click out of 3. Click out of 2. Click out of 1. Let's see, what else am I missing? Click out of 4. Click out of 3. Click out of 2. Click out of 1. And there we go, it's open. Now let's get this thing and see what's inside of it. Okay, need a Phillips. These things tend to have a lot of Loctite on them, so first time you open them, it's a pain. Come on. There we go. Let me move the camera down. Got my pinning board. There we go. Okay. And the lock. Nothing up inside of there. You see it's the quarter moon, that's the actuator. Lock it back up because I do have a key for it. And let's try to get these little C-clips off of here. That shot somewhere, there we go. Need the small one and the key. There we go. The thing when it has this half moon, you want to turn it depending on which way the half moon is, so the back of it will act as a extension for your plug follower. Obviously you don't want to go that way and put your plug follower there and have your pins end up falling down in that. Go. Okay. I'm pretty sure all the key pins are standard key pins. Huh. It's actually a 6-pin lock with a 5-pin key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. The 6th pin rides on the bow right here on the very tip of the key. Let's see, there's no threading or countermilling or anything in this. And now for the good stuff. Have a serrated, have another serrated, have another serrated. If you look at the spring tension of these, you see they're barely even sticking up above the shear line. Not much to them. We have a spool with serrations on the ends. A serrated, and the last one is a standard spool. Nothing inside the core, anything like that. Standard springs. Okay, I'll give you a close-up for the pins. All standard bottom key pins. In 1, 2, 3, there are serrated drivers. In 4, there's a spool with serrated top and bottoms on it. In 5, there's another serrated, and 6 is a standard spool. Well, that is all I have for you today. If you like the video, please subscribe. And remember, the more practice you do, the better you'll get. Have a good day.